Hi everyone. I just got back from doing some shopping at Kohl's for my new apartment, which I am going to give you a tour very shortly. So I got my good old cane here. Hey, it's purple, you know, it's a fashion statement. So this, my friends, is going to be my filming room. Let me see if I can back it out. It is not the biggest room, as you can see, but look at how light and bright it is. It has 2 windows. Let me see if I can give you perspective as far as the size, but I'll be able to get a little desk in here, and I do have a ceiling light, and I'll be able to get lighting. Now I can use like my umbrella lights because I can set them up right over there. And I don't know, maybe I'll put like some storage for the makeup above. I haven't really figured everything out yet. But this is going to be my filming space, and when I first saw it, I was convinced that was what I was going to use it for. This is an older house, so it has like the cutest little details in it, but this is my living room. It has beautiful hardwood floors. It's got your standard ceiling light, 2 nice windows with wooden blinds, which is great. And guess what, my friends? I don't want to show you what I look like now because I am a stone cold mess, sweaty mess, but central air, my friends. If you know me, you know what that means to me. And here's my kitchen. Let me turn the light on. Nice and bright. Let me give you just a quick overview of the kitchen. I have stuff all over the counter because I'm cleaning. I just scrubbed the refrigerator. So it's a decent size. It's kind of like in an L shape. I have like a smaller stove, but that's all right. It doesn't have a microwave. That's what I was on the hunt for actually today, and was not successful in 3 stores, maybe because it's back to school for the college kids, but I couldn't find a microwave. Isn't that ridiculous? So I have to go and order one online. But look at the little pantry I have here. I'll put my cane down. An old-fashioned pantry with the little latch. Isn't that the cutest? It needs a good cleaning, and I'm also going to get some of that, not contact paper, but like that stuff that's in a roll that you can line, shelf liner. Typical of me, but nice little pantry. I have a dishwasher. I have not had a dishwasher in probably 15 years. It's a miracle. So yeah, just a nice little refrigerator. I gave her a good scrubbing so she's nice and clean. Decent cabinet space. Here I'm going to be able to put a really nice table, and I may even bring my mom's china cabinet. I haven't decided yet because I just don't know if it's really going to fit. I don't want everything to be too cramped because I really would like to get a little island because there isn't much counter space. Let me know what you guys think about that. Then we have some more storage over here. I love the Art Deco touches with the glass doorknobs. Really, really great storage back here. Look at the depth of that. I mean, stuff up there I'll obviously like never use, but that's okay. It has a light, but it is burned out currently. That's okay. I can store my vacuum cleaner and my broom and all like just stuff that I never had storage for. I'm going to get some more storage for like up here and everything so I can hang more stuff. Here we have the bathroom. So it has a newer sink. You know, pretty nice, the little shaker style. Look, all right, you're going to see how horrible I look right now, haha, but look at the size of my medicine cabinet. Tons of storage. Classic black and white tile from like, this could be the 30s or the 50s. Look at that, my friends, a tub that I can actually take a bath in. Isn't that amazing? And this one has the old-fashioned gold. That needs a little bit of tightening. And are you ready for the pièce de résistance? Well, one of them anyway. Ta-da! My own washer and dryer. Amazing, isn't it? And this one comes also with some built-in storage. I can even put an ironing board in there. And I've got some drawers. I have a space down here for the litter box, and that's going to be fantastic. And now we are onto my bedroom. Don't mind the crap on the bed. I just got back, as I said, from the last store we went to was Kohl's. We went to Bed Bath & Beyond and a couple of other places. And went to Kohl's. They had a good sale, so I got some stuff. And here we have two closets, one of two closets. And I have a ceiling fan. I've never had a ceiling fan, my friends. Oh, did I mention? Did I mention the central air? So here is one of the closets. It has a light. It is a decent size. I need your guys's. I need your opinions. Couldn't find my words there. Should I get a closet organizer for one of these? Because as you're going to see, my bedroom is kind of small, so I don't know how much furniture I'm going to be able to fit. I would love your opinion. Here is closet number 2. It's a little bit smaller, just I think a little bit more shallow. So again, I haven't decided exactly what I'm going to do here. And I just want to give you a perspective of the room. It's actually bigger than my current bedroom, but the size and shape of it is different. And I didn't have a queen size bed in my current bedroom. Queen size bed, my friends, do you know how long it's been since I have had a big grown-up bed? And it's memory foam. And look at the beautiful comforter that my friend bought me. It's got beautiful little stars on it. It's from Ugg, and it is the softest thing in the world. You know the cat's gonna love it. She also got me the Ugg pillow, and I picked this up today at Kohl's because I don't currently have a headboard, and that's totally fine, but this will be great for sitting back, having something to lean up against, and being able to watch TV. I'm thinking about putting the TV on the wall over here. I haven't decided yet because, again, room for my side table. And I might, see, I can't put a dresser here. I might be able to put one right here. But there isn't too much room, else I won't be able to walk in front of the bed. Because I'm going to be going back here. I have 2 beautiful windows, and I have a backyard. And this door leads to the backyard. So I have a screen door that has to get fixed because it's warped and it doesn't close properly, but that's okay. I have my little area here. Can't put anything, a chair up here because of the screen door, but that's also okay. But I am going to enjoy my backyard. So that is it, my friends, for the moment. Let me show you quickly the things that I got at Kohl's. I got myself a new shower head because I wanted to, the one that's in there currently doesn't have the, oh, what do you want to call it? It doesn't have the hose thingy for you to take down. So this one does, so I'm going to replace that. I had to get myself these towels. Why do you think? Why do you think I had to get these towels? Maybe that should tell you. Little fuzzy cat in a sweater. And then this one. Does that say Perkins Spice, as in purr, kitten purr? And then look. How cute is that? So these are going to be my dish towels. I also got clothes on clearance. I got 5 items of clothing, which I will probably show you at a later time, for $24. I've been following after my friend Danielle from Glamburger. Anyway, I'll show you that at a different time. And of course, you know that I couldn't forget my babies. So I normally keep their treats in the bags, but you know what? I want to like leave stuff out and have it look really nice. So this is probably for dogs, but shh, we won't tell them. But it's a treat container. It's glass, and I can just pour all of their treats in there. And then they share one bowl for their dry food, and they all share one bowl for their water, except for Miss Kitten, who has to eat and drink on the counter because she's a princess. So this is big enough for all their dry food. And this is big enough for their water. I'm going to put them in my, ta-da, my dishwasher. So moving day is coming up really, really soon. And I'm excited and I'm anxious. But I want to share and take you guys along on my journey. So I will talk to you guys soon. Let's set this up here. I don't think it'll stay. Yeah, no, that's not really good. Let me turn off the air. Don't turn off the air. Hey guys, I'm just vlogging bits and pieces of my day all the way up to the move. Yesterday I showed you guys a tour of my mostly empty apartment except for my bed. And right now it's crunch time because it is exactly 7 days to my move. And what's even more crazy is that it's a crazy week coming up because we have the superintendent's conference days. 2 of those days I have cable coming, I have my neurologist appointment, and I still have an absurd amount to pack. It is getting scary and overwhelming, and but you know, I'm gonna get it done. And what I don't get done, I am able to go back to the house and complete. But I really want the movers, and I'm paying them a lot, and I do mean a lot of money, and I want them to take most of the stuff and, you know, carry it up the stairs, because I do have stairs up to my apartment, which wasn't ideal. But as I said, after the hundreds that I looked at and the, I think, 15 that I applied for and got turned down for, I wasn't going to not take this apartment because the apartment is really cute and I think it's going to be really, really convenient. So I just stopped. I know it's 90 degrees and I'm drinking hot coffee, but I need my hot coffee. I drink like iced ones when I'm in the car. And why am I explaining that? I have no idea, and I know that didn't come out right. I can't wait to do the unpacking of my makeup and figuring out. I didn't do a declutter. I wasn't really able to, so I'm just taking all my crap with me. And when I get to the new apartment and I do the arranging and figuring out where to put stuff, that's when I'm going to go through it and say, do I really need this? Do I really want it? And if not, it's going to go to a good home. I'm still trying to find homes for those 2 cats outside my house because I don't know what to do. Nobody will help me, and it's really frustrating. But all right, that's about all. This was a long enough clip. Need more coffee. Love you guys. You're all amazingly wonderful people, and I will see you in my next clip. Bye.